could hit Falkirk down that left hand side with Smithley's pace is.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
It's dangerous.
Ryan Williamson just beating for pace, as you say. Good little header by Watson. Sizzle. There's Gabby McGill. Going to run at them. There's Justin. He's going to shoot this time. It's a goal! Oh! What a goal! I've said that a few times this year, but that one was a beauty. What a start, Dylan.
Yeah, terrific. Again, it comes from the back. Josh playing out wide. Frizz picking up a little pocket.
You see in the replay,
the build up was it was terrific.
I thought Gabby might have ran at him, but he obviously saw Justin and he's caught that absolutely perfectly.
Yeah.
He's only scored one goal this season, and that was nearly goal of the season.
Yeah.
It was a bit naff. Gal did it with a pirouette. So here we go. Great opportunity for Airdrie again. McCabe. Goal! Oh, it's 2. Oh, what a start. This is magnificent. I said I wasn't going to get no nerves, no excitement, but didn't take me long.
I'd like to see that back because it looked like he had
so much space. I thought that too. Here it comes. It just seemed a massive big gap on this right hand side. He's gone right round it. Just keep you up to date best as possible. Just goes long.
Yeah, Gavitt.
Fancy Gavitt to win this
Great
one.
header. Great header.
Gal knocks that inside. Good recovery. That's good play by Nesbitt.
He's in.
But he's in this time. Here's a chance. Here's another chance for Smith.
Yes!
I can't believe this. It's 3. Can't remember last time I was this excited. That's that again. Like Nisbet originally did well, but then just Falkirk just fell apart defensively.
Yeah.
I thought Gabby again just did very well. Dicey's the master of the corner routines, but this time it's a fairly standard one. Good touch by Alan Frizzle. Good ball. Good play again. Just
what a ball!
Knocks it in.
What a ball!
It's a goal!
Oh my God!
It's another one. Oh wow!
It's a former Falkirk player as well. Taylor Sinclair.
Oh man, this is incredible. I don't think in our wildest dreams we would think this was going to be the case.
I think the delivery again. I think it was it Justin?
It was Justin again. Phenomenal.
His left foot special.
Every corner's been a real problem for Falkirk. So it wouldn't surprise me if again this could cause him a bit of bother. Just go near post. There it is. Oh yes! It is. It's Dicey this time.
He deserves it. He's been different class.
This is just outstanding. My boy all day has been saying how nervous he is, Dylan, and I've been saying that'll be fine. And even I didn't think it would be 5-0 at half time. This is just incredible stuff from Airdrie.
As if it's still 0-0. That's what you want.
That's exactly, and that's probably been the message at half time. And near post one again.
Oh, what a save!
Oh, it's a goal. There it is. We've got one. It's Liam Henderson. It's 5-1, and as you see, and here, there's the corner comes in. It's near post. It's a fantastic save by Josh Ray initially.
Donaldson, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's called Donaldson. Yeah,
number 6.
Josh Ray goes long. Just the first time a wee, and this Josh, he could be in trouble here.
Could be off.
I think Hutton's going to. Oh no! There it is. No need, Josh. Just a wee bit of hesitation. And that will mean that it will be the introduction of David Hutton, Coach David Hutton. It's just a wee hesitation between him and Dicey. Kennedy, Henderson. Kennedy. Goal! Yes. Kennedy makes it 5-2. And as we said, just Hutton had no chance there. Nobody would have saved it. Can. Up to Kennedy on the right hand side this time. Fires it long. 1. Donaldson out. 2. Oh, it's ping pong here. What's the referee giving here? David Hutton's hurt here.
Yeah, I think
it's a yellow card, I think, for the Falkirk man. Oh, it's a red card. Oh, it's a red card for Jordan Allen. That shows off. Jordan Allen has got a red card. It was obviously something a little bit more serious than we thought. The referee's not messed around there.
Good header, Reese.
Now this is a way opportunity.
He's in. He's in.
Good ball by Charlie Telfer. I think Gabby might just hold this in the corner. No, it's going to go out to Adam Frizzle. Inside to Charlie Telfer.
Chance.
Nice play.
Chance.
Oh, great. Oh,
referee.
Yeah, that's brilliant play by Ben Stanway. That's great football all round. Gabby McGill, Adam Frizzle, Stanway does absolutely brilliant. Falkirk fans are not happy with the decision, but I thought it was a stone wall.
Yeah, he definitely had his hand round them.
Yeah. So, Reese with the penalty. Goal! 6-2. And that makes a huge difference. A huge difference. And fair play to the manager. Takes the responsibility. Does the job.
Skillsway out the East line. Good ball out to Willie Gibson. Misses out Dominic Docherty. Chris Johnston. First time he's had a chance to. Oh, that's a tremendous cross. Yes! Tommy Goss! Tommy Goss! Tommy Goss! Brilliant cross by Dominic Docherty. And what a finish by Tommy Goss! Willie Gibson. Good ball out to Chris. Chris Johnston. Tony Wallace. Oh, great cross. Yeah! Brilliant cross. Tony Wallace. Unbelievable mistake with the Dumbarton defence there. Totally went to sleep. Tommy Muir, tap in. Nice quick win. Will he get somebody looking for it? Dominic Docherty. Oh, it's a goal! Aidan Smith! Good knock by Tommy Goss. Keeper palms it out. And Aidan Smith knocks it in. Switch Willie. Great ball. Give him it early, give him it early. And you go Aidan, have a run at him. And you go Aidan. You're in Aidan, cut back. Yes! Brilliant goal. Dominic Docherty. Brilliant move up the left. Aidan Smith. Willie Gibson's away here.
Substitution for Annan.
It's a goal! Oh no! Yes! Oh! Benji Lassant! Brett Long with another great save from Rob McCartney. And Benjamin Lissant is there to smash home the rebound.
Will be winner of this tie against them. Never played higher than the fourth. They'll fancy the chance as Clyde getting into the penalty area. Ball's cut back and ready. Clyde take the win. East Fife couldn't deal with the ball down the right hand side. Cut back and Rennie was there to just poke it home.